Samsung's next big Unpacked event is getting closer, and things are starting to get really interesting. We're supposedly just weeks away from seeing the Galaxy S26 Ultra officially, but Samsung may have accidentally given us an early sneak peek already. A teaser has apparently surfaced in Indonesia, and while we always have to treat these things carefully, it's already sparked some pretty big conversations online. According to this promo, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming in 4 colors: black shadow, white shadow, something that looks like galactial or maybe glacial blue, and a bold ultraviolet option. And honestly, that last one actually looks really good in the render floating around. But that's not the biggest talking point. The real shocker is what's missing. There's no mention of titanium anywhere in Samsung's own color naming, and Ice Universe has hinted that this might be Samsung quietly stepping away from titanium completely. Now, if that's true, it's a pretty bold move. Apple is rumored to be moving away from titanium on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Samsung might actually be doing the same thing here, possibly switching back to aluminum. It sounds like a downgrade on paper, but there are some actual reasons this could be a smart decision. Titanium looks premium, but it's expensive, it can run hotter, and it adds weight. Aluminum is cheaper, lighter, and if Samsung can keep the premium feel, it could actually benefit everyday users more. Apparently, the S26 Ultra might weigh around 214 grams, which makes it slightly lighter than the S25 Ultra at 218 grams. Not a massive difference, but it does suggest Samsung is trying to refine things, not just change them for the sake of it. Design-wise, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a cleaner, more premium-looking phone than the S25 Ultra. Ice Universe claims to have seen parts of the design and says Samsung is ditching those vinyl record-style camera rings that honestly did look a bit cheap. Instead, the camera setup is reportedly going to look more like what Apple is doing on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but with narrower metal rings and an overall sleeker finish. There are also rumors of a new pill-shaped camera bar for 3 of the lenses, giving the phone a clearer visual identity instead of just floating individual cameras. The phone is also rumored to have rounder corners, which sounds like a small change, but actually affects the whole shape of the device. It's even pushed the S Pen slot closer to the edge, meaning the stylus itself might be slightly different and asymmetrical this time. It's weird but kind of interesting to see Samsung tweak even the small details. And while some people might look at this and think, okay, cool, slightly rounder corners and a tidier camera layout, so what? These are the kinds of changes that actually affect how a phone feels day to day. It's becoming clearer that Samsung isn't just refreshing the S25 Ultra. They're trying to give the S26 Ultra its own identity. Even if the internal specs don't end up being dramatically different, the overall experience might feel new, more refined, and more premium. But that's what I think. I want to know what you think. Do you like the idea of Samsung possibly ditching titanium? Do these design changes make the S26 Ultra more appealing to you, or do you think Samsung is just copying Apple a little too much here? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, because this conversation is definitely going to heat up as we get closer to launch. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of all the biggest leaks and updates, make sure you stick around because things are only getting more exciting from here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.